Very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Pre-Bill with Team William in India. So today, July 18th, 2023, and a clear disclaimer that the registration granted by the SEBI, membership of BESL, and certification from NISM is no way guaranteed performance of an intermediary or provide any assurance of return to investors. Investment in the security markets are subjected to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Okay, so let's start with Nifty 50 setup. And one thing about the setup is it's excellent. That's the first thing comes to mind. So the the rally continues. Then like there's no issue in the rally at this point of time. We are trading well, not just above the 21 DMA, that is the green line, and the 50 DMA, that is the red line. But even the short-term moving average, that is 10 EMA, exponential moving average, right? We are trading well above that line as well. So we are trading about 10 EMA, 21 DMA, and 50 DMA. Okay, so even 21 DMA is somewhere around 19,100, but there's no pullback chances. So here there was something point that we were a bit worried at this point of time. Okay, यहाँ से after this consolidation we might see some pullback to 21 DMA. We also got a distribution day for once over here, right? But then there was no problem. I think the rally continued. So Nifty made a fresh new high for 2 consecutive days. And yesterday the closing was very good. So yesterday closing was really good. So now I think as far as the levels are concerned, so we are heading towards the 20K if we don't see any downside reversal, right? But if we see some downside reversal and if we breach this 10 EML level, okay, like so we go somewhere below 500 level, then there might be a little 200-300 points of more pullback. But broadly, the market looks very healthy. Even yesterday, the volume was good when Nifty closed near its all-time high. So no two ways about that. Even the broader market is now gaining the strength again, right after some sideways movement. Sectorally up, देखो Bank Nifty is doing well. The other sectors, the autos, FMCGs are also helping the index. The IT, which was lagging since a lot of time, is now at a fresh 52-week high. So on the sectorial front also, there is a lot of strength in the market. So let's see. I think sometime judging the market based on how much it has gone up or abhi kya hoga, kaise hoga, it's better to go with the flow, go with the technicals. If you see that okay, there is weakness, one more distribution day is coming, 10 EMA breach ho gaya hai, then there are chances कि हाँ अभी 21 DMA आएगा. So look for these technical levels rather than एक प्री एज्यूम कर लेंगे कि हाँ अभी इतना बढ़ गया है तो गिरेगा ही. तो from the in that sense, since March 31st, market is moving higher, right? It has never breached its 21 DMA. So don't pre-assume that. But yes, be very careful with your positions. So if you see any breach of key moving average in the stocks that you are holding, right? It's a good time to book profit or cut losses. So be stock specific and look for the strength in your stock. If any weakness in the stock that you are holding, it's always good to be out of that stock. If you see the key news, I think a lot of big results are today. IndusInd Bank is reporting, L&T Technology Service, ICICI Lombard, Polycab, Heidelberg Cement, ICICI PruLife. These all are reporting. Yesterday, Tata Elxsi reported revenue was up 17% to 850 crore, while the profit grew 2.2% to 188 crore, and EBITDA margin fell around 340 bips YOY to 27.1%. LTI Mindtree also reported its Q1 number. The revenue growth was flat, while the profit grew 3.4% on a QOQ basis. EBITDA margin में थोड़ा 32 bips का expansion आया है to 16.6%. Sheela Foam's board approved the acquisition of Kurlon Enterprises and Furlenco. The company will acquire 94.66% stake in Kurlon for rupees 2150 crore. So You might have heard about this brand Kurlon, right? It's not a new brand. So जो गद्दे आते हैं, like foam, right? They are one of the big player in that market, and also the Furlenco. A global market, the US was good yesterday, so Dow and S&P were up 0.2, 0.4% respectively. Nasdaq was up around 0.9%. And if you see the Asian market today, no major negative cues. So एक muted cues है from the US as well as the Asian market. And the same action you can see in Gift Nifty. So Gift Nifty also indicates some muted opening. हाँ थोड़ा 10-20 points. It looks like on the positive side because 19775 is the future level. So yesterday का जो future level है वहां से तो अभी हम ऊपर ही trade कर रहे हैं. So there are chances that some part in green we might open, but then it will be very important to see if we can hold the opening gains. So that's it for today's session. Thank you for joining. See you tomorrow again at 8:45 a.m.